Tutorial. How to sign minutes of a graduate defense using PEN SIE information system at the Federal University of Santa Maria. To sign a document in PEN SIE, you must be registered with an active signature term in the user management portal. If you are an external user, you will first need to register in the system through our service, available at ufsm.br/pen/servios. Learn more about how to register as an external user by accessing the video available in the description. As soon as you receive a process of minutes of a graduate defense in your PEN SIE mailbox, you will receive a notification in your registered email. The user must access their mailbox to view the documents and proceed to the signature. Identify the minutes of the graduate defense process you want to sign and click the Open File icon. The signature feature is also available in the drop-down menu Documentos Inseridos. Identify the document and click the key icon to sign the document. On the signature screen, you must choose from the drop-down options. Select the vinculo, institutional relationship, and corresponding profile you wish to use to sign the document. It is important to correctly select the vinculo, institutional relationship. Then, you will repeat your password for security purposes and click OK. The document is now signed. To access it, simply download the file by clicking the link below the document file in the Documentos Inseridos tab. At the end of the file, you will find the signatures and data for verifying the signatures.